The best supplements that can whisk away blood clots, support your heart's health, and do it all without nasty side effects? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, guess what? It's not. It's called nattokinase, a natural enzyme made of soya bean. So what's the deal with nattokinase? How can a simple soy-based food offer amazing heart-healthy benefits? Stick with us to find out. Nattokinase is not some fancy lab creation, but a natural enzyme found in natto. Natto is a traditional Japanese dish made from soybeans, and nattokinase is produced during its fermentation process by a specific bacterium known as Bacillus subtilis. Now, let's dig into what makes this enzyme so special. In Japan, where natto is a dietary staple, people tend to enjoy longer lifespans and lower rates of chronic diseases. But what's the secret sauce? Studies have shown that those with diets rich in natto tend to have lower rates of heart disease-related deaths. During the fermentation process of natto, the bacteria responsible for the transformation activates nattokinase. Not only does this give natto its distinct cheese-like flavor, but it also unleashes a range of scientifically backed health benefits. Intriguing, right? The influence of this remarkable enzyme goes beyond Japan. While natto has been popular in East Asia for centuries, today you can find it in grocery stores and specialty health food shops worldwide. And if you're not a fan of natto's unique taste and smell, worry not, because you can also buy nattokinase as a supplement. It's all about making heart health accessible to everyone. Now let's answer the burning question: how does nattokinase earn the title of heart healthy? It's like a superhero for your heart. It's great at breaking down blood clots. It does this by directly dissolving fibrin, which is like the glue that holds blood clots together. It also helps convert a substance called proerkinase into urokinase. Urokinase is like a specialized agent whose mission is to bust up clots. And what's the best part of it? Unlike some other clot-dissolving enzymes that can have side effects like bleeding, nattokinase is like a friendly hero with little to no side effects. Plus, when you take it as an oral supplement, your body can absorb it through the intestines. Studies on animals and humans have shown that it can thin the blood and dissolve blood clots. For instance, in a study with dogs, just 4 nattokinase capsules were enough to completely dissolve chemically induced blood clots in the leg vein within a short 5 hours. Even in a rat model with blood clots in a carotid artery, nattokinase-treated rats showed impressive results, recovering 62% of normal blood flow. Now, you can say it, wow! But it doesn't just stop at dissolving blood clots, it also tackles other heart-related issues. For instance, it's like a shield against oxidative injury-mediated arterial thrombosis. Okay, it may sound like a mouthful, but it's a crucial concept to understand. Imagine your arteries as smooth, well-functioning highways for blood to flow through. But sometimes these arteries can face a kind of injury. These injuries are caused by oxidative stress, which is like a storm of damaging molecules in your body. This stress can make your arteries less smooth, increasing the risk of blood clots forming. Think of these clots as traffic jams in your blood vessels, which are never a good thing for your heart. Now here's where nattokinase steps in like a hero. It has the amazing ability to inhibit the formation of these clots and reduce platelet stickiness. This is important because platelets are like the tiny band-aids that help in sealing wounds, but in your arteries they can contribute to clot formation. Nattokinase's action is quite similar to that of aspirin, a well-known blood thinner. But here's the cool part. While aspirin can sometimes lead to bleeding issues or stomach ulcers, nattokinase does its job without any of these adverse effects. It's like having the benefits without the drawbacks. How cool is that? What's truly intriguing is that even a single dose of it can kickstart fibrinolysis, which is the process of breaking down fibrin and preventing excess blood clot formation. Now let's explore the incredible journey of nattokinase through the digestive system. Unlike many proteins, nattokinase and a similar enzyme called lumbrokinase, which is derived from earthworms, can withstand the harsh conditions of the stomach's highly acidic environment and still get absorbed in the latter parts of the digestive system. In a study in 2013, a team of researchers in the United States discovered intact nattokinase in the blood of healthy humans after they consumed a single oral dose of it in a capsule. This finding indicates that it can indeed make the journey from the digestive tract into the bloodstream. However, the precise mechanism of how it accomplishes this voyage is still somewhat of a mystery that researchers are working to unravel. What we do know is that it has an impressive ability to withstand high temperatures, reaching up to 50 degrees Celsius and extreme pH levels, up to pH 10. These qualities contribute to its ability to remain intact within the gastrointestinal tract, ultimately making its way to where it can do its work in supporting heart health. In these studies, scientists determined the no adverse effect level for it. This level represents the amount at which it can be consumed without causing any harmful effects. In this case, healthy human volunteers were given a daily dose of it, and it turns out that they could take 10 milligrams of nattokinase per kilogram of their body weight daily for a full 28 days without any adverse side effects. In other words, it demonstrated an impressive safety profile. Participants in the study didn't experience any significant changes in their urine, blood pressure, or pulse. This is important because it shows that intake of it doesn't disrupt the body's normal functions, even when taken in relatively large amounts for an extended period. But today, the recommended dosage for nattokinase is 2 capsules, each containing 100 milligrams of nattokinase. And based on the safety studies conducted previously, there are very low concerns regarding its toxicity, meaning that you can include it in your daily routine without worrying about harmful side effects. So not only does nattokinase offer fantastic heart health benefits, but it also does so with an excellent safety record, making it a reliable choice for those looking to support their cardiovascular health. It's the kind of supplement you can trust to take care of your heart without any unwanted surprises. So guys, what aspect of nattokinase's heart-healthy properties surprised you the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please drop yours in the comments below.